Do y'all see me right now? Why did this nigga just tell me to come outside? Sir, let me check his location. He's literally like 3 minutes by me, but I think he's working. I don't know where the fuck he is. But he's 3 minutes by me. I didn't even respond yet, cause sir, like, I'm playing sleep, cause I was literally asleep before I picked up my phone, and I'm doing this. I was napping, and then I ended up picking a shift up at work, and now I gotta do my hair. Hopefully this install turns out a lot better from the first one that I did with you guys, because I done bleached the knots. I bleached the knots yesterday. I bleached it. She looks so much better. I filmed it on TikTok, so if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. It is the same name as my YouTube. I was thinking about changing my Instagram to the same thing, just so it's a lot easier for people to find me, since everything is kind of like the same thing. So I might do that. I really don't know yet. I don't know. And I wish I had better scissors, because these scissors are ass that I'm about to use. I don't know what my eyebrow to use. My eyebrow scissors on. How they do it. Let's see if it's strong enough. Oh yeah, this install looks like 1,000 times better from the first time. And I wasn't even supposed to have a middle part. Like, why did I even put a middle part in here? And I cut layers in it, so I framed the face right here. Can y'all see? Then I put some more. Pretty much framed it right here. But I think I need to take some layers out here. Get out of the cabinets! You know, put some on the sides, because I want it up here to be, you know, what are the side part? That's what I wanted. Let me put this hot coat back in. So now we gotta wait to do this until after I glued it in. But I'm actually going to do this first, so everything's kind of like, you know, glued down. And I look at a new one. This is a cheap one I got years ago. Like years. So I'm gonna lay this like the wig stylist. Ow. Hurt my finger. Go away. So this was. You see that scalp though? Y'all see that scalp, baby? I see it. Let me know if y'all see it though. That's not the scalp. It's really fun. I want to wait. Digging it. That's what I'm talking about. Everybody be sending me like. This is looking good. See that? We got this on. feel like I should do that part too. Oh my god. Just in case. So y'all can get up out the glue. In case I decide to change my part up. The glue I don't have, but works really freaking good. Hey baby, so we're at the club. I don't think I did an intro, so what is good? What is popping, y'all? Just gonna slap back with another vlog. But hey y'all, how is it looking? I feel like this wig looks so much better after I bleached it. Go to my recent vlogs when I just posted, and y'all tell me which one looked better. Which one looked better? It's either that one or the one I did when I installed it. So it might be the one before the recent one. I laid my edges and now they coming up. Why did you? They coming up. Okay. But I ended up having to do the middle part because I can see the lace. Like I can't cut no more lace off because the wig is kind of already too small. So if I cut more lace, it ain't gonna be able to fit on my head. It's already barely fit on my head as it is. But I think it looks a lot better now that I bleached it and I hot combed it. All the other times I never hot combed it. So I hot combed it. So I just feel like it looks better. But I did pick up a shift today. I wasn't even supposed to be working today. And it's been raining all day today. Like hard as hell. Like it was pouring. It was coming down. So I just really hope that people still come in or somebody comes in that has money. I just want to make 200 minimum. Please. Please, money gods. Bless me. Father God, bless me. Bless everybody in the whole club. Not just me. Bless everybody in the whole club. Okay, y'all. I just want to tune in with you all now that I'm here. I'm going to try to get some stage footage for you guys. I probably will just because it's dead in here. So, normally when it's dead, it's very, very, very easy for me to get pole footage. So, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Sorry for this angle. Sorry, y'all. I did not get no pole footage for you guys today. I should have, but I did not. I'm so sorry. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. The night was I made a little bit of money. Like I said, I wanted to make 200. I'm pretty sure I made 200. I hope I made 200, especially for the dancing I did. Like there was nobody in here throwing money for it, but there were like a group of guys that were sitting at the stage, my last 3 stage sets, and they were also sitting there for the other girls' stage set. So they were literally sitting there for like about an hour and a half, maybe just an hour. I really don't know, honestly, to be honest with you. It just felt like a minute. And I'm just ready to go. They were literally like the only people throwing money. I had another customer that I know had came in with this girl. They tipped me a little bit. Sorry, I'm putting my clothes on. Shit, why the fuck did I wear jeans? Like I'm hot and these jeans are hard as fuck to put on right now. But yeah, I don't know. I just came out of a VIP. Got my clothes on. You guys ready to go? I'm so hot. Like after every single stage set, y'all, I was burning up to the point like I feel like a bitch's wig was about to slip back. Like unbelievable. But I'm about to head out, and I will see you guys Friday because I do work Friday, and I'll try to get some stage for you guys for Friday. So don't go nowhere. 200. This is basically 100. This is 56. This is 50. So basically, I made it 306 on this wag ass, rainy ass Wednesday. Better than I thought I was gonna make though, honestly. But my minimum was 200. I made over that, so I'm excited. Yeah, so I'm about to put this money up and shit, and then I'm gonna shower. Later today, I might be going to the gym. I told my son we're gonna go to the gym. He's been wanting to go to the gym. I haven't been wanting to go to the gym, but at the same time, I've been wanting to go to the gym because I've been gaining weight, and I kind of want to get bigger now off working out, like really. My body's already been filling out and forming. I know it's gonna form so much better once I'm in the gym. So I'm gonna try to get back into the gym. I don't think I'm working today, but I will be working tomorrow. So I will definitely see you guys tomorrow for sure. Okay.
fishing line out. A white girl keep me feeling lined out. I'm 2G, so I stay Gucci signed out. And I get so much attention. They sit and talk about me like intervention. They say that white phantom looks so cocaine. I hop out the suicides looking so Cobain. And I just call they love when they know your name. They like low, so we already know, so dang. They come back 1 more grams, right back like Lindsay out the program.
So rocking with 50 Cent. You gotta love it. I just wanna chill and catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't want to see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me